Today I'm going to show you how to do a knit one below. Instead of knitting into the stitch that's on your needle, you're just going to be knitting into the stitch right below it. So you'll just go into that stitch right below and you'll just knit it like normal. And you'll let both of those fall off the needle. Let me show you one more time. So instead of into the stitch on the needle, you're just going into that knit stitch right below it, from front to back. Let it fall off. Do it one more time. You can see the stitch right below. Just like that. That's a knit one below.